the world as we know it fundamentally changed.
I'm happy, but today is really hot, so that's really strange for London.
Is there any way to stabilize the climate at this point?
Yeah, but it feels like it's out of our control sometimes.
We're here on top of the Conduit Club in London, where we're going to be showing Plan C for Civilization in a private screening.
We have to listen a lot to the scientists, way more than normally we do.
We've already exceeded the point where it's simply going to be good enough to stop using fossil fuels.
But what does that actually mean? What does it mean to do something different?
If we don't do something and we don't do something radically, we'll be at the mercy of people that do.
And the film doesn't leave you with answers, it leaves you with questions. Are we stuck, or are there other pathways forward? Is solar geoengineering hope, or is it folly?
Whenever we get to imagining far futures, we lose our minds. This is a contentious topic. And even amongst us, we have people who have deep disagreement.
We have to look very carefully when people say, what governance do we need? What governance do we have, and what job is it doing today?
How do we get younger people really involved in these discussions? They are the ones who are going to be carrying the can for this the most.
We need to find new ways to engage people in this conversation. And that's what this film and this Changing the Climate campaign is all about. It's something that is both important and essential and existential, but also something that can actually give us hope and energy in order to move forward.